With this conservatively favorable 1958 to 71 record, the company has never shown an average annual price as high as 15 times its current earnings. In early 1972, the price-earnings ratio was only about 10. A third cause for an unduly low price for a common stock may be the market's failure to recognize its true earnings picture. Our classic example here is Northern Pacific Railway, which in 1946 to 47 declined from 36 to 13.5. The true earnings of the road in 1947 were close to $10 per share. The price of the stock was held down in great part by its $1 dividend. It was neglected also because much of its earnings power was concealed by accounting methods peculiar to railroads. The type of bargain issue that can be most readily identified is a common stock that sells for less than the company's net working capital alone, after deducting all prior obligations. This would mean that the buyer would pay nothing at all for the fixed assets, buildings, machinery, etc., or any goodwill items that might exist. Very few companies turn out to have an ultimate value less than the working capital alone, although scattered instances may be found. The surprising thing, rather, is that there have been so many enterprises obtainable which have been valued in the market on this bargain basis. A compilation made in 1957, when the market's level was by no means low, disclosed about 150 of such common stocks. In Table 7.4, we summarize the result of buying on December 31st, 1957, one share of each of the 85 companies in that list, for which data appeared in Standard & Monthly Stock Guide, and holding them for 2 years. By something of a coincidence, each of the groups advanced in the 2 years to somewhere in the neighborhood of the aggregate net current asset value. The gain for the entire portfolio in that period was 75%, against 50% for Standard & Poor's 425 industrials. What is more remarkable is that none of the issues showed significant losses. 7 held about even, and 78 showed appreciable gains. Our experience with this type of investment selection, on a